Module 1. Where can I get and how can I see geodata? Geodata on maps. Spatial reference frameworks enable us to deal with the attributes of location using a geocoding system, datum, and projections. Thus, geodata can be visualized on maps. Location attributes allow us to establish a geocoding system which shows the way of locating places on the surface of the Earth. There are several geocoding systems that allow us to facilitate identification. For example, coordinates, longitude and latitude, which is the most well-known location system. These measure angles. Latitude is the angle between the equator to the north and to the south from 0 degrees to 90 degrees north or 0 degrees to 90 degrees south. Longitude is the angle between the Greenwich meridian, 0 meridian, and the east and west of it. There are 3 different ways to express longitude and latitude, either in decimal degrees, or in degrees, minutes, seconds, or in degrees and decimal minutes. Using the example of the Musée de la Ville de Bruxelles at Grand Place, use Google Earth to go to the Grand Place in Brussels. We can see the location in decimal degrees. We can change this. Go to Tools, Options. Select degrees, minutes, seconds. And change again to degrees, decimal minutes. In decimal degrees, the west and south points are written with a minus before the numbers. For example, La Paz, Bolivia has a latitude of minus 16.489689 degrees and longitude minus 68.119294 degrees. UTM is the Universal Transverse Mercator Projection. Longitude zones are 6 degrees wide and numbered 01 to 60. Latitude zones are 8 degrees high and lettered from C to X, omitting the letters I and O. The letters A, B, Y, and Z are used in polar regions by the Universal Polar Stereographic Grid System. A location reference is always written with the longitude number first, then the latitude letter, and its easting and northing in meters after. Using the same example, Zone 31 longitude, U latitude, 595228.02 meters easting, and 5633676.94 meters northing. What 3 words? The What 3 Words geocoding system was established in 2013. It defines a unique 3 by 3 meter square on the Earth using 3 words. This provides an easy and simple way to remember locations and is particularly useful in emergency situations and in areas without official street addresses. What 3 Words works in more than 20 languages. Go to the What 3 Words map to search for a location. Write the 3 words dubbing, D-U-B-B-I-N-G, dot boosted, B-O-O-S-T-E-D, dot after, A-F-T-E-R. And we arrive again to the Grand Place, Musée de la Ville de Bruxelles. Stop the video for a while and let's see if you are able to identify the 4 universities with What 3 Words. Here is the link. A plus code can be used for Google Maps to find an address. A plus code is a combination of two elements. The first is a short code of 6 or 7 letters and numbers, and the second is a locality, a town or a city. In Google Maps, place a pin on the map for the Musée de la Ville de Bruxelles. At the bottom, tap the address or description and you can see the plus code to give it as an address to others. But in many places this information is not available. There are other traditional ways for geocoding location, for example the street and number, the postcode, the city and country, an official address of a building, census tracts or cadastral reference, among others. Thank you very much, and don't miss the next module session.